Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel and returning for another video, thanks for returning back to my channel. So today what I'm going to bring for you is a video on how I clean and maintain my lashes. So a lot of people tend to buy lashes and then use it one or two times and then bin it and then go again and buy another pair of lashes. Well, this is not needed. I will show you how I maintain and clean my lashes, and it lasts me, or a pair of lashes lasts me 2 to 3 months. So yes, I would like to show you how to do this so you as well can clean and maintain your lashes so your lashes can last longer. And please do not waste money on lashes, buying them today and throwing them away tomorrow. Okay, so before we go into the video, please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell down below and join the Nakita Nation family. Come on, let's be a family. So click that red button down below and don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have a full face makeup. So what I'm going to do, because I would like to show you guys how I clean these lashes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the lashes. Okay, so here the lashes, they're off and ready to be clean. So if you like to see how I clean these lashes and maintain them, so these lashes I had like for 2 months already, guys. So if you like to see how I clean and maintain them, just keep on watching and see you soon. Mwah. Before we start, we will need 4 tools to help us clean our lashes. The first tool I'm taking is my makeup remover wipes. This is the Simply Sensitive Skin Expert Kind to Skin Micellar Wipes by Little Mix. This is their limited edition. The second tool is my eye makeup remover, and this is the Garnier Skin Active Express 2-in-1 eye makeup remover. My third tool is my cotton bud, and the fourth tool is our tweezer. And as last, the lashes I just removed. The makeup remover wipe is to help us remove the mascara from the lashes and help lift up the glue from the lash band. The wipes are alcohol and oil free and are made with micellar water to give the lashes a thorough yet gentle cleanse. The eye makeup remover is to help further with lifting the glue from the lash band, giving it that no greasy feel. The eye makeup remover is also enriched with arginine to help protect the lashes. The cotton bud is to help apply the eye makeup remover to the lashes and the lash band. And the tweezer is to remove the glue residue from the lash band. So I'm removing a makeup remover wipe from the package laid flat on the surface. Next, we are going to take the lashes that we will be cleaning today together with the tweezer. I am gently removing the lashes from the package onto the makeup remover wipe, and I'm pressing down on the lashes for it to absorb the micellar water from the wipe. I am turning around the lashes to do the same on the other side. Next, I'm taking the cotton bud together with the eye makeup remover, but first I will need to shake it to mix the two faces perfectly. Then I will apply it to one end of the cotton bud. Next, I'm applying the eye makeup remover to the lash band to lift up the lash glue residue, and I'm also applying it to the lashes to help remove the mascara. Please be very gentle when you're doing this step, guys, to avoid any damage to the lashes. I also recommend using a tweezer to hold the lashes to the wipe because my finger was not allowing me to get the mascara off properly. Okay, so what I will do next, I'm pouring some of the eye makeup remover onto the lashes so it is fully covered by it. This step is to ensure that all residues will be properly removed from the lash band and the lashes. Next, I'm removing the lash to a clean part of the wipe to avoid any residue that came off sticking to the lash band or the lashes. What you will need to do next is to cover the lash and press down on it to allow it to marinate into the micellar water and the eye makeup remover phases. Then leave it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, when it's fully marinated, it's time to remove any leftover residues with your tweezer. As you can see, there's barely any glue or mascara left on the lash band and the lashes. This is absolutely the best way to clean your lashes without damaging the lash or the lash band. So we are going straight in to remove the leftover residue on the lash band, which there hardly anything left. When doing this step, please be very gentle to avoid ripping off the lash band, because at this step it tends to go wrong, where you start getting overly impatient and start ripping the glue off the lash band, and little do you know, you're left with pieces of lashes from the lash band. Now here's the lash fully clean with no glue or mascara left on it. So quick and easy to achieve. And here is all that we have taken off the lash band and the lashes. So here's a quick tip before I go. After cleaning your lashes, ensure that you store them back into the package. This will help and ensure that the lashes keep its original form after cleaning them. So yes guys, this is how I clean and maintain my lashes. I hope this video was very informative and helpful for you. So no more buying lashes today and binning them tomorrow. Use this video to help you keep your lashes for 2 to 3 months and looking like you bought them yesterday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video because I know it was helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Bye!